Welcome back to another Slow Rider video. Today I want to take a look at a potentially very dangerous issue on your Harley, and that's making sure that it can start in gear. I'll show you quickly how to check for this issue, how to fix it, and how to prevent it from happening. So here's how you can check to see if your bike has this issue. You turn the ignition on. You're going to make sure the bike is in first gear. You're going to hold the clutch in and see if it'll start. So as long as it starts, you're good. But if it doesn't start, here's what you want to check. So over time, what's happening is dirt and corrosion is building up inside this little switch that's behind your clutch lever. So this little switch is just behind the clutch lever, right there. So when the clutch lever is pulled in, that switch gets pushed in a bit too. Right on the side of that switch where it goes into the housing, you'll see there's actually a little tiny gap in there. What you do, get some electrical contact cleaner. I do not recommend using anything other than contact cleaner. And where you see the little gap there at the edge of that switch, you're just going to spray a little bit of contact cleaner in there. After you've done that, make sure the switch gets pushed in and out a few times. Spray a little bit more. Get that switch. So most of the times, that should do it. You do that a few times, and you should be able to start your Harley in gear. So if you want to take it a step further, or for some reason that doesn't do it for you, you can actually take this housing off and access the switch a little easier. So to take this off, you've got two Torx bits right there, T25 size. Just move this, let this hang off to the edge. So with that clutch lever housing removed, you get a much better view of this switch. And you'll see it's got three little gaps around the outside of the switch. With this lever removed, you can get to those gaps really easily. So with that contact cleaner in and that lever removed, now you can actually just push this in with a finger. So electrical contact cleaner is designed to dry really, really quickly. So get that spray in there and immediately start pushing this button to work that cleaner around. So once you've done that, you can put that clutch lever back on and you should be good to go. So I would recommend doing that about once a year. That should keep that switch clean so you don't find yourself stuck somewhere trying to find neutral just so you can start your bike. And if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Thanks for watching.